Alright, guys, so this is Emma. Hi! We are going down to where? Frigiliana for today to go to this thing called Carnaval. Carnaval? Carnaval. I don't know what it is. Apparently, they turn up in a tent or something. Yeah. So we are Alvin and the Chick Ones. I am Alvin. She is Simon. And this is the breathtakingly beautiful view. Okay, anyway, she's gonna drive us down the hill and then I'm gonna drive us the rest of the way because I actually have my license. So, okay. Alright, guys, I'm scared. Vale, gracias. After the whole damn Hola. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo vamos? Bien, ¿y tú? ¿Qué coche más chulo? So, we're at the McDonald's drive-thru and we're having a bit of an issue. They're making fun of us. So, damn, this bitch foggy as hell. Low key. They complimented our car. They gonna think we get breaky in here. Creo que tengo que abrir la puerta, Is that one? Gracias. Guys, we have 15 fucking kilometers left. So we have to charge the car. This is a friend's house. But we're not going to be able to pull up to the function with this little battery, so we're just going to have to risk it. Yeah, we have literally 15 kilometers left. She's really reversing a tiny ass car. Just so we can plug it in, bro. No. Oh my god, don't fucking run me over. Alright, so we're in the middle of nowhere on some mountain in an RV park. Yeah, to charge the car. Yeah, so what? God. Paranormal activity. Ooh, it says we need 3 hours to charge, but we're thinking we're just gonna be here for 20 minutes max. Yeah, just retouch our makeup real quick and then keep. Summertime sadness. Got that summertime sadness. Oh, oh, oh. Damn, the camera doesn't do it justice, bro. We're missing our, what's it called, Theodore? Yeah, we need a toilet paper! Please. I'll do a cartwheel! Yes, help! That was horrible. Yes. We have left. Yeah, I was getting pissed off at a girl, so we're leaving. On the road again. On the road again. It's 10 past 2 in the morning. 10 past 2:10? That's horrible. 2:10. 10 past 2 makes so much more sense. I've been eating so much goddamn cheese all day. Why are they so wet? Wait a minute, is that real? Why are they so wet? What the hell? When did that happen? Oh my god. Bro, when did we get wet? What the hell?
Hvis vi skal være der klokka... Ja.
Look at that painting.
Ja. Så hva er det tar å kjøre?
Typ en time.
Yes, det er greit. We're just chilling.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta drive
Jeg
back.
sa det!
We are going to go drive back. Finally. Yeah, it's like 3 something right now. Oh shit, it's like 4.
Oh no,
Or what?
it's 4:30.
4:31. Brother.
Supposed to leave half an hour ago.
Yeah. So, I got my bag. This is like so whatever to you Europeans, but dude, this shit is just so beautiful. Like, holy shit. Like, wow. Whoa. Just casually driving by the most stunning views. Here. Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's pretty good though.
That's pretty
That's
good. Little trip of, oh my god! Look at the view! Brother, the camera doesn't do it justice!
Nah, bro. It's really good. And this is really pretty too.
I was telling Emma that like, when you're not from here, this stuff just really looks so beautiful. Oh,
Well, wait. Oh no, that's the highway.
that's so freaking pretty!
I know.